And I would like to tell International Workers May Day. I want to bring a message to the International Workers Day today. I am very sorry to talk in this way, but we have had to talk like this. 135 years, workers struggle, workers sacrifice their lives for asking 8 hours, working only 8 hours, and 8 hours for sleeping time, and 8 hours living with the family members happily. So today what has happened to us? What has happened to our nervous system? What is happening to our biological bodies? Nothing. And today we are facing a pandemic situation of the world. Every citizen of the world is in danger. The corona has come as a teacher for teaching a lesson for the world leaders. And Indian leaders today helpless. What they have been doing for their people. What they have done to the nature. Nature punishes people. The nature universe punishes the leaders. And leaders are taught a lesson to be correct. And this is not a time to cry about bread and butter like spoiled children. This is the time we have to save our lives. If we want to struggle tomorrow, we have to live today. If we can't live today, we can't struggle tomorrow. This is a very different situation in the world we are facing. Today is a May Day. I would like to bring a message to the world leaders. Be humble and accept what you have done to the world. You have not done. And India, you can see rich country. Rich country is letting India down. Rich country is silent. When a country is going down, can a rich country be silent? What is the economic system we have introduced to the world? And the world leaders, why can't all world leaders unite together and fight? And why can't they find out or invent a medicine against coronavirus? Everybody has failed. Everybody has failed. Therefore, today I would like to tell the workers, Happy Workers' Day today. And we cannot be happy because of this pandemic situation, and actually abhorrent situation can be seen in the world. And as citizens of the world, we must unite and work together for making a better world. And thank you very much.